Hello everyone, Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope all of you are doing good. So this channel has reached 100 subscribers. A very big thank you to all of you, those who have subscribed. Recently we visited Niagara Falls. It's a very beautiful place with amazing natural beauty. So there is a small clip of Niagara Falls visit also in this video. If you like the video, then do let me know in the comment box down below. Today I am sharing recipe of very simple, quick and easy sandwich made with cucumbers, onion, tomato and boiled potatoes. If you want to grill the sandwich, you can do that also. So this kind of sandwich, it remains fresh for a couple of hours. So if you like the video, then do share and subscribe. It's very easy to make onion, tomato and potato sandwich. So let's get started. List of all the ingredients is also in the description box below. Here I have taken 3 brown bread slices. I am applying butter on all the slices. On one of the slices I am applying garlic chutney. On the other one, green chutney. Now I will place the tomato slices, potato slices, onion slice and cucumber slices on these bread. Now we will sprinkle some chaat masala as well as red pepper powder and salt. If you don't want to use garlic chutney, you can use tomato sauce also. This sandwich is very quick and easy to make. We can also grill the sandwich. We just have to place all the 3 slices one above the other. So yummy, tasty, delicious sandwich is ready. We can make such sandwiches if we are going out for any trip or picnic. It's once in a lifetime experience. The beauty of Niagara Falls is just mesmerizing and spectacular. Here I am sharing a small clip of the video of my trip to Niagara Falls. So Niagara Falls is a city on the Niagara River in New York State, USA. It is known for Niagara Falls. We had already booked a hotel room close to the Niagara Falls. We reached the hotel at night. So the next day we went to see the Niagara Falls. It's a once in a lifetime experience, very beautiful place. There are many visitors information centers near the park where we get all the information where to buy the ticket and how to reach there. Made of the Mist is a boat ride which takes us close to the waterfalls. So we get this blue poncho which helps us to protect from the mist. So the boat takes us very close to the Niagara Falls and we get totally drenched in water, but it's once in a lifetime experience. We just forget about the whole world once we reach there. In the evening, we bought tickets for the Cave of the Winds, where we are given yellow color poncho and sandals. In the Cave of the Winds, we can experience the waterfall falling on us, and we come very close to the waterfalls. The water falls on huge rocks. To see the natural beauty of Niagara Falls, there is a Niagara Scenic Trolley which takes us around the park.
Film depicting the history and legends of Niagara Falls. Straight ahead from the top of this bridge, we are approximately 550 feet above sea level. Now as you look down at that water
You can sit in the trolley and watch the beauty of Niagara Falls and the places around it. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment box down below. See you next week with another recipe. Thank you.